Changing an oil filter can be a breeze or a challenge, and often you won't know what to expect. No matter the case, Toledo have you covered with an oil filter remover for every scenario. For the occasional straightforward filter change and compatibility with the biggest range of filter diameters, the Toledo Nylon strap filter remover is an easy choice. The 50mm wide strap offers plenty of purchase on filters up to 150mm in diameter. Clip your half-inch drive bar or ratchet into the end and give it a turn, and the strap will bind on itself, tightening harder against the filter as you apply more tension. The 3-jaw oil filter remover is great for those filters in tricky positions. The jaws open to a maximum width of 125mm and close to a minimum of 60. A 3/8 drive ratchet or bar can attach straight onto the tool, or use the supplied adapter if you'd prefer to use half-inch. As you apply counterclockwise pressure, the metal jaws will close in, clamping the filter tighter the harder you twist. If you need a perfect fit on a difficult filter, these filter cups are the way to go. Each of the 15 cups has its own place in a rugged blow-molded case, where you'll also find a 3/8 to half-inch adapter. Perfectly sized for the most common filter designs, they range from 65 through to 100mm in diameter, with a variety of flute patterns. Once you've matched the correct cup to your filter, there's no way it'll slip. Just apply a ratchet as you would with the other oil filter removers, and it'll come right off. Toledo also offers a range of individual cups for sale and is able to advise exactly which cup suits your vehicle. When changing an oil filter, be prepared for a little spillage as it's removed. Some vehicles will have a system to catch this oil and drain it into a container. For others, you'll just want a good supply of rags. If you're using the strap or 3-jaw filter remover, you might like to ensure the filter housing is relatively clear of grease or oil to prevent slippage. This shouldn't be necessary with a filter cup because of their specific design. Wipe the filter mating surface clean with a rag and apply some fresh engine oil to the seal on your new filter if it isn't already pre-lubed. This will help to prevent the seal from binding. Now, spin the new filter on by hand and tighten it only a quarter turn past hand tight. That will ensure it isn't too difficult to remove at the next service and also stops the seal from distorting. With Toledo oil filter removers, doing a simple filter change need not be a stressful job.